Look here. So talking about ramen.
For like so nauseous.
Oh yeah, good.
Okay. I don't want to make a